people, so we're here at the location we're going to be fishing today. So we're getting ready. Oh! Yeah, getting ready to go there. Unloading all the equipments that we're going to need out here. Beautiful day today. As you can see, not a lot of wave action today, so probably can get a run. You never know. So tune in.
Out there, fishing, fully adventures, tune in.
Alright people, so we are stacked. We have the rods, we have a piece of PVC because we're going to use it to put the rods inside, so that prevents your rod handle from being damaged by the rocks because they're very sharp. So we're on the go. You can see down there, I don't know if you can see him. That's Ian, all the way down there, wasting no time. We have a little walk ahead of us, so we have to try and just press on around on the rocks because that's where we'll be fishing today, not on the beach. So we're heading in that direction. You can see over there, that's where we're headed. A bit further than where you can see, but that's the direction we're going. Not a lot of wind today, should be good for casting. Hopefully we get some hookups, so stay tuned, let's see what happens. People are caught up back with Ian.
Fish on,
Fish on.
fish on.
Ready, we're heading out there, see what we can get.
This is one.
So we're almost there. It's a little way to go. Oh, it's been so long since I've come out here. The rocks are very sharp. We have to dress for this occasion. As you can see, I'm wearing water boots because normally we would wear like Crocs. This is no croc location. Very sharp rocks, people. Have to be careful when you come to places like these. Whew. Very hot day today as well. There's Ian right behind me. Okay, so yeah, we have arrived. Just going to look at a spot to put down the bags, and then I'll show you what exactly out here looks like. Look at that, people, look at that. People, here comes Will and Mark. We made it to the spot, so we're going to hunt some bamboo to put the rods in, because I don't want to put the rods in the rock and damage the handle, so I'm going to look to bamboo. So I found one. Bamboo. Yeah, nice piece of bamboo. Not all that wonderful, but we'll try it. This is one. to show you what we're going to do with that in a few. You can see place need a lot of cleanup, a lot of plastic bottles all over. Someone look like we're about to make a fire right there. Probably doing some night fishing. A lot of bottles, people. As far as the eye can see, bottles all over. Oh, here's another piece of bamboo, but this piece is small. Can't really use that one. No, I saw another piece somewhere, but can't find it again. Plastic bottles again. Alright, so I guess we just work with that one. If I'm lucky, probably on the way back I'll find another piece and we can use that one. See what we can find. Another piece. Alright, this one doesn't look that. Yeah, this one looks fine. I use this as well. So that's two pieces of bamboo. Here's the other one. Alright, two pieces of bamboo. We're going to use that, stake them in the rocks, and then we put the rod handles in there after we throw them out. Hot day today, people, very hot day. The people, so the guy selected a spot. This is where we'll be fishing. Beautiful waters. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful today. Here it is. Fishing spot. Marcus the General.
Here.
At the location. Outside.
When I was a real fishing, you know. When the General dropping out of water. Remember me promise you. Now for watching you know, when you catch it now, I couldn't know it. I go for a big snapper. I said, what the blood fire this? I said, yeah man, when you're not looking to pull him out. Furthermore, Kenny, you see what he and turn up? I don't below this, so turn up when me there, when me there. And you're not stuck again, brother. You're not have to stop. I get bite quick. See if I remember how I bite them field.
Okay people, so my first rod is set up. This is a 9-foot using a high-low rig. You can see I have one hook here, and a 2-ounce weight attached to it. So I'm going to try and make a cast now. He's already out there. Well, he went out already, nothing yet, but he's going back. Look at the action, people. Casting. goes. So, my turn. Over there you have Mark and Willie. Pick their spot near the edge there, so trying to get something from that side as well. So let's get into the action, see what we get. Stay tuned. Yes people, so going out there now. Alright, show out this rod, see if I can catch anything. Yeah, not very far, but let's see what we can get there. Put the rods in the bamboo here, straighten him up a little bit, loosen the jag. There you go. Yeah, there it is. So running back to the other rods, trying to set up another one to throw out. This one is my favorite one to use. I have a Pen 4000 on it and a Fib Link 9-foot medium action rod. And I set this up now and throw it out. My rod get a pull, people. Just saw the rod get a pull. I want to circle up, so I don't need to set the hook. Feels like something is on it. Let's see what it is. First fish. Hope it's a jack. Yellowtail. Yellowtail, people. First fish. Fish on. Going back out there, people. Fish is on. Out there. Not casting so wonderful today, but it's going out. Tighten up just like before. Set the jag. There. Try and fit up that one. I'm getting a bite already. I just keep an eye on that one and see what happens. You see that? Octopus, people. See him? Octopus. On, people, fish on.
Oh my! One is jump off. Oh. Bitch, give me a fight, eh?
Grass. Fish on, fish on. Heavy.
No.
Fish on again. Every time. Feels like I have on a fish, people. Ah! Bon daddy. Big enough. Oh man. What happened there? I don't know. Fish on, people, fish on. Ah, lost him. Lost him, people, lost him. People, we had to change the location. Well, the spot. As nothing was happening around there. Bit dry around there, so trying another spot. A lot of rocks. We were over there just now, so coming over here, see if we can catch anything over this side. Oh, somebody left their helmet. Somebody left their helmet behind. Haha. Alright, let's see. So I'm gonna go right there, see what. What I can catch from this side. Yeah, let's try this. Yeah, people, so I'm going to set out a bit now. See what I can get. Hopefully I get something from that jack. Put him right over this side. Yeah, hope for the best. Fish out, people. Why, people? Something took up my line and ran with it. I don't know what it was. All I know was drag was peeling, and then 2 toes, this thing came back like so. See, this gilging was no good. I have to rig up again, try and get back out there, see if I can catch. Don't know what that was. Feel that one. Got the run, but didn't catch a fish. Aye, fish on. People, I have to be moving again. Nothing happening today, you know. They say it's called fishing, not catching. On the move again. Catching the action again. Back on the other side where we started. Whew. Soft sand. Feels so good. Yeah. I wet the foot a little. Yes, cool down the foot. Water. people, been out here basically all day. Haven't caught anything other than small yellowtail and a few jacks that we had to throw back. So, you know, we give thanks nonetheless, because, you know, we never put anything in the sea. So, whatever we get, we have to give thanks for that. Yeah, it's called fishing, not catching. So, whatever we catch, whether it is big or small, could not have caught any. So, we give thanks nonetheless. So, we fish on right through. We never stop.